Okay, good morning students. Today we will discuss and continue about chapter 2 Fundamental Rights and Directive Principles of State Policy. Topic today is Fundamental Duties. Okay, Fundamental Duties is the now topic. Okay, yesterday we will discuss about some important of articles. Article 19 and 19, 1, 19, 2, 19, 3, 19, 4. Okay. 19 even different type of articles are there already we will discuss yesterday class. Today class is about fundamental duties topic. Okay, chapter 2 fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. Fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. Fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. Today topic is fundamental duties. Okay, fundamental duties. Topic 1 now. Fundamental duties. Fundamental duties under the part 4A. Okay, fundamental duties here under the Constitution of India. Okay, where Constitution of India, every human rights, fundamental rights, and fundamental duties. These are important of the categories. Okay, under the Constitution of India, okay, 51A, next part 4A, Constitution of India 51A and part 4A. This is the mainly about explain of the Constitution of India 51A. Next 4 part A. Okay, about explain the fundamental duties. Article number 51A. And part, which part? Under the fourth part A, explain fundamental duties. Under the which year? 1976. 1976. Okay, 1976 July month. Fundamental duties are measured of the in our Indian Constitution. Okay, so but actually this is fundamental duties. 1976 how many there? 10 fundamental duties there. Up to 1976 how many? 10 fundamental duties. 10 fundamental duties there up to 1976. Present about, okay, present up to 2002. 2002 how many? 2002 January month 11 fundamental duties are there. 2002 up to how many? 11. So present how many? 11 fundamental duties are there. 11 fundamental duties. Present 11 fundamental duties are there. Okay. Fundamental duties under the article part 4A, article number 51A and part 4A explain fundamental duties of our Indian Constitution. Okay, our Indian Constitution. So 1976 July month, these are how many fundamental duties? 10 fundamental duties. Okay. Next up to 2002 how many is there? 11 fundamental duties. This fundamental duties, 11 fundamental duties example. First one, with the people of India. Okay, that should be maintenance of the national flag. We will follow the national flag. Okay, national flag and mainly help of the national anthem and national flag. Okay, first one mainly. First one what is there? National flag and national anthem. National. Okay, we will salute national flag and national anthem. National flag and national anthem. Okay, this is the first fundamental duty of our Indian Constitution. Okay, under the which constitution will take care of fundamental duties? Erstwhile Soviet Union. The fundamental duties are taken erstwhile. Okay, erstwhile, olden. Erstwhile means old. Soviet Union. Soviet Union means Russia. Okay, Soviet Union means this country belongs to this are now is called Russia. The fundamental duties are taken from Soviet Union of Constitution. Soviet Union of the Constitution. Erstwhile Soviet Union of the Constitution. These fundamental duties are taken in our Indian Constitution. Taken by our Indian Constitution. Erstwhile Russia. Okay, erstwhile Russia. So the fundamental duties, every citizen of the India, we will follow the rules and we will discuss the about federal rules, principles and sovereignty power also. Sovereignty power. Okay, the two values and implements the rule. Two values to develop the scientific methods. For example, number one, first one, what is there? Number one, national flag and national anthem. Second one is there to follow the scientific methods, scientific feelings, scientific methods, scientific methods, scientific methods. You follow scientific methods and scientific feelings also. Scientifically, we will change the fundamental duties, scientific methods and the scientific feelings. Okay. So under the 1977, we will follow the fundamental duties. Okay, January, you know, every year January 3, fundamental duties day. We have celebrated every year January 3, fundamental duties day. Every year January 3, we have celebrated fundamental duties day. Fundamental duties day. Every year January 3. Okay. So the fundamental duties, it is the main important of the in our Indian Constitution. Fundamental duties main important. Why? It is the mainly taken. So Indian Constitution mainly Constitution Day. Which day Constitution Day? 26th November. Every year 26th November we are celebrated Constitution Day. Okay. To uphold the rights, remarkable of the rights. And another fundamental duty to uphold and remarkable of the rights. To uphold the rights and we will respect of the national flag, national anthem, scientific methods, feelings, uphold the rights. Uphold the rights. Maintenance of the human rights or fundamental rights. Uphold the rights. Okay, every citizen compulsory we will follow the rights. The rights are all type of categories. Fundamental rights and human rights. You know this and classes also already you know. Okay. So this is the mainly bureaucracy of system. Fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution. The fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution. First one, we will follow the national flag and national anthem. Okay. Next, scientific methods of feelings. Next, uphold the rights. Next, valuable of the every constitutional principles. Valuable of the constitutional. Valuable of the constitution principles. Valuable every constitutional principle. Valuable of every citizen of India. Okay, valuable of the constitution principles. Valuable of the constitution principles. Okay, there are how many fundamental duties? 11 fundamental duties up to in which year 2002. Okay, 1976 how many there? 10 fundamental duties are there. Okay, under the article number 51A, yesterday we discussed about some important of articles, right to constitutional remedies. The constitutional remedies, particularly which is the main point of the article, right to freedom. Okay, right to freedom of exploitation. Okay, these are the main important of the Constitution of India. Okay, 51A, article number 51A about mainly fundamental duties. Every citizen of India compulsory follow the fundamental duties of under the rules and under the principles of 1976 theory system. Okay, national flag, national system, and secular religions. Religions also will follow the every citizen of India. Religions to provide the education, okay, opportunities, and next to feelings, okay, education, opportunities, and to provide the word of between the age of 6 type of characters to provide the education, opportunities. Okay, next to find education and opportunities to provide the education and opportunities. Education to provide the education and opportunities. Every citizen of India to provide education opportunities and health benefits to provide the education, health benefits, and we follow the every rules and regulations. Okay, these are under the article number 51A, and which part? Fourth A part. Third part mainly human rights. We will explain human rights third parts. Fourth part particularly fundamental rights. Fourth to A under the particularly fundamental duties. Okay. Next, we will discuss another topic, styles from the. So, the force from the fundamental duties. This type of force is given the force of the fundamental duties. Force of the fundamental duties. Fundamental duties compulsory under the constitutional value. Constitutional value is compulsory. So this is the mainly and force. What is the main force? The forcible of the rules. And every citizen of India will follow the under the rules and regulations about the Constitution of India principles. The forcible system also. Okay. Which person is not maintain fundamental duties, the person is mainly guilty of under the constitution rules of system. Okay, guilty of system, and next sometimes went to the rules and regulations under the law, the political law. Okay, the political law type of principles. Okay, understood? So this is the main safety guard to right to the property. For example, property type of cases. Property, we are mainly we will follow the property maintains. Property maintains. Fundamental duties here under the controlled by the every citizen of India, and in our Indian Constitution. Okay, your Indian Constitution main important fundamental duties only. The fundamental duties under the 11 characters compulsory we will follow. For example, 10 fundamental duties are there recently. Recently means 2002 up to onwards, the 10 is increased by 11 fundamental duties. Total 11. Okay, 10 plus 1. Total 11 fundamental duties are there. Okay. So this is national flag and national system. We will follow the salute and national system. And next we will secure of the every people secure of the citizen of India in any religions, not only Hindu or Muslim, Christian. Okay, any religions. Secure of the system, maintenance of the rule of law system, social equality. Okay, social equality system also. So uphold the human rights and uphold the duties. The duties and every man power. Every man is one of the powering of system. So our man is not only family type of person. It is the social involved. The social involved will follow the every duties. Okay, the duties also mainly divided from different type of categories. Fundamental duties divided from different type of categories. The categories also mainly belongs to under the subdivisional groups. Subdivisional groups to safeguard the property of whole taxpayer. Safeguard property of safeguard under the whole area, under the total part of area. Okay, force of fundamental duties and property maintenance of the every citizen, maintenance of the property every citizen of India. Okay, so this is the under the articles of some important articles of 50 to 52, 50, 51, 52 and 53 also under the aspect of the fundamental duties. Already you know yesterday, before yesterday, already we are explained the principles of policy, directive principles of state policy. Okay, fundamental rights and the difference between directive principles of state policy. But directive principles of state policy under the non-directive ruling. It is under the constitutional system, constitutional law. But fundamental rights also constitutional system. But we are compulsory maintenance of the fundamental rights. Right? But directive principles of state policy we are not maintained. Many people are not maintained. But under the act, under the laws only maintenance of the directive principles of state policy. Okay, so here fundamental duties are, we will now discuss about the fundamental duties. Okay, students, next class we will discuss what is the main principles of directive policy, main principles. Okay, what is main principles and the principles how to empower the every citizen. Okay, and sovereign power like a sovereign system. Okay, next the fundamental duties mainly usually how to use this. Okay, next guardians and how to empower the system of fundamental duties and summary also we will discuss on next class. Okay, students, thank you.